Hello, friend, this is Keroy. This poem is called Always Believe. In the wonders of the world, always believe. In the magic of the unseen, impossible to possible, beginnings without end, always believe. Remember the wins, the lessons are treasures too, always believe. Take on the hugs, the touch from others, the listening ear, the precious scent of perfumes, the ecstatic tastes. Always believe life is on your side, conspiring to get you to the best of all things. That's a fact. Always believe. Even in the pain, a change of season is right around the corner. Always believe. Hope is ignited, joy is erupting from deep within your soul. Always believe. Favor is now, favor is yours, and it's always skipping the timelines, landing on the good stuff. Always believe. Dance in the rain, move your feet to the beats of your heart. Create what you have in your mind. There is perfection in the imperfections. Always believe. Always remember to believe. Keep the faith alive, following what is true to you. Always believe. Talk to you soon.